Want to protect your eToro trades from big losses or secure your profits automatically? Here's a quick way to set stop loss and take profit. Now, first, go to your portfolio on the eToro app or website and tap the trade you want to adjust. This will open the trade details screen. Now look for the option labeled stop loss and take profit. Now set your stop loss by entering the price or amount where you would like the trade to close if it moves against you, so you don't risk losing more than you are comfortable with. Now then set your take profit at the price where you would like the trade to close when your target profit is reached, letting you lock in gains and automatically. Double check both your stop loss and take profit levels to make sure they match your plan. When you're ready, tap update or set order to save your changes. Now, that said, your trade is now protected, so you can trade with more confidence and less stress. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick guides, and drop a comment with what you would like to learn next.